the joy of the letter J. Hello, friends! Are you ready to have some fun with the letter J? I know that we are! Let's check out just a few joyous words that begin with the letter J. Here at the boutique, shoppers enjoy looking for wonderful clothing. One of the most popular clothing items, jeans. Jeans begins with the letter J. Here at the cafe, Kyrie and I are enjoying a great glass of juice. Juice begins with the letter J. In this rainforest, the jaguar is looking for food. Jaguar begins with the letter J. The jet is flying in the sky. Jet begins with the letter J. These cookies are in a jar. The word jar begins with the letter J. The young girl is exercising with a jump rope. Jump rope begins with the letter J. Look at this fine Jeep rolling through the streets. The word Jeep begins with the letter J. Look at the clown juggling the colorful balls. Juggling begins with the letter J. Well, that about wraps up our fun with the letter J. friends. Why not spend your day finding other items that begin with the letter J? I guarantee you'll have a jubilant, joyous, and jovial time. Bye!